Hello, this is Josh Keller. I'm the owner of NCEExamPrep.com. I thought I would just make a quick video giving you a rundown of the different test versions. I know that there's been some confusion regarding what the versions mean, but basically depending on what state that you're taking the test in, as well as the format of how you're taking it, these versions could mean one of a number of things. One version is the APB. So the APB means Anywhere Proctored Browser. This is typically when there's a university that wants to administer the exam on campus for all of the students in a particular cohort. So they will set up a room with computers, and then the students in that cohort will go at a specifically designated time set by the university. They'll take the test on the computers provided by the university, and then they'll know whether they passed or not based on how well they did. Other versions you might see are the CBT or the ABE. CBT basically just means computer-based testing. And so typically this happens at a Pearson VUE testing center. When you register for the exam, you actually go to a place and you're going to be taking the NCE or the CPCE with other people who are taking other tests that Pearson VUE might be administering as well. So that's what CBT means, is computer-based testing. ABE is a designation that they've started using when you register for your test, and it could mean either the computer-based testing or the web-based testing through OnView. When you register using the ABE version, once you've been approved, you'll actually have the opportunity to schedule your exam and choose whether you want to go to a Pearson VUE testing center or to take the exam at home on your own laptop. I personally encourage people not to take it with OnView unless that's the only option you have, or there's some specific reason. If you can take it in person, I really recommend that. I've heard too many horror stories about the OnView testing, but that's what ABE means. It has nothing to do with how the exams are scored, which exams are harder or easier. It only has to do with the delivery format of the test. So hope that clears up some of the confusion. Best of luck as you prepare. Please feel free to reach out and let me know if there's any way that I can support you in passing the NCE with confidence.